What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go with Solana. We're sitting at $93, down 5% on the day. See market cap 40.41 billion, 24-hour volume 2.51 billion. So I've readjusted the count from the low. If we take a look at this wave 3, wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, trend basic extension. You can see we pushed all the way up to the 361.8% fib level, and then we overshot that last fib level. So I think it's more likely that was your wave 3 right there, pull back in a wave 4, and just looking at BTC and then push up in a wave 5, and now potentially we could be going through an ABC correction. We also have a descending triangle, so if we just push up and get rejected by this trend line, we can just see a straight breakdown from the triangle, which would take you down to that target zone, which would be a wave 2. So you have a big 5-wave move, impulsive parabolic move for Solana in a wave 1. That's your wave 2 pullback, and then you continue to push up in a 3, 4, 5. Just have to change the color, make it bigger. We'll go with white. There we go. So that's what I'm looking at. I do think Bitcoin will potentially bounce soon. So you may see that nice little bounce for Sol, which could take you up in between about 105 to about 116 before coming down in a wave C. And the pullback zone is in between $35 and $67. As you can see, the next major support zone, see the resistance, see the previous support here, resistance here. We had some support at this level as well. And we had support here where we consolidated. So I do think we'll come back down to retest that level. That's in between about $80 to $68. Now let's quickly take a look at the minimum target. Let me remove this fib. The minimum target is the 38.2 at about $81. So there's always a chance of bouncing off that support there. But the normal target is at least the 50%, which is at $67. 78.6 all the way down to $35. I don't think we'll come that low, but I do think there's a good chance we either bounce off 67 or about 81, the 38.2 or the 50% fib level, before continuation back to the upside for our friend Solana. Could offer a good trade opportunity. I may give a signal in the Discord if you want completely free access to my trade signals. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. You can grab those bonuses and then email me after you make your first deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in the one place with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Otherwise, it's $10 a month, over 2,600 members in the Discord, all links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.